Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of superfoods with 5 amazing smoothie recipes that will transform your health. You think I'm going to let you lot serve up some sugary, flavorless rubbish and call it healthy? Absolutely bloody not. We're going to create vibrant, delicious smoothies that are packed with nutrients. Get your blenders ready because we're about to take your taste buds and your well-being on a wild ride. First up, we're tackling the green machine. This is not some sad, limp salad in a glass. We're talking a powerhouse blend of spinach and kale, packed with enough vitamins and minerals to make Popeye jealous. Don't you dare turn your nose up. We're going to make this green monster so delicious you'll be craving it every morning. We'll start with a base of crisp, fresh spinach, none of that wilted nonsense. Then we'll add a handful of kale, which, let's be honest, tastes like dirt on its own. But trust me, we'll balance it out. A squeeze of lemon juice will brighten things up, and a green apple will add a touch of sweetness. Now for the secret weapon, a knob of ginger. Not too much, mind you, just enough to add a little zing and wake up your taste buds. Blitz it all up with some water or coconut water, and you've got yourself a breakfast fit for a champion. Next, we're blasting off with a berry blast-off smoothie that's bursting with flavor and antioxidants. Think juicy blueberries and plump strawberries, working their magic to keep your skin glowing and your body fighting fit. This is not the time for frozen, mushy berries that have seen better days. We're using fresh, ripe berries that are practically bursting with sunshine, a handful of blueberries for a brain boost, and a generous helping of strawberries for a dose of vitamin C. Now, to add a bit of creaminess and staying power, we'll toss in a ripe banana and a dollop of Greek yogurt. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied, not reaching for those sugary snacks an hour later. Blitz it all up and prepare for liftoff. Let's be honest, sometimes you just need a break from reality. That's where the tropical getaway smoothie comes in. This is sunshine in a glass, a one-way ticket to paradise. We're talking juicy mango, sweet pineapple, and a hint of coconut that will transport you to a beach far, far away. First, grab a ripe mango, the kind that makes your kitchen smell like a tropical paradise. Dice it up and toss it into the blender with a cup of frozen pineapple chunks. This will give the smoothie a deliciously thick, ice-cold texture. Now, for that essential coconutty goodness, we'll add a splash of coconut milk. Not too much, mind you. We don't want it tasting like suntan lotion. Blend it all up and get ready to be swept away to a land of pure bliss. Listen up, you lot. This next smoothie is not for the faint of heart. This is the Energy Booster Smoothie, designed to fuel your workouts and power you through even the toughest challenges. We're talking bananas for potassium, almond butter for protein, and a secret ingredient that will blow your mind. Start with a base of frozen banana slices. This will give the smoothie a wonderfully creamy texture. Then add a big spoonful of almond butter, the natural kind, none of that processed rubbish. Now for that extra kick, we're adding a shot of espresso. That's right, coffee in a smoothie. It sounds crazy, but trust me, the combination of caffeine and natural sugars will have you bouncing off the walls. All right, you've indulged, you've enjoyed. Now it's time to hit the reset button with the Detox Dynamo Smoothie. This is not some wishy-washy juice cleanse. This is a powerhouse blend of beets, ginger, and other gut-loving ingredients that will leave you feeling squeaky clean from the inside out. Don't even think about using those pre-cooked beets from a jar. We're using fresh, raw beets for maximum nutritional impact. Scrub them well, chop them up, and toss them in the blender with a knob of ginger. The bigger, the better. Now, to balance out the earthiness of the beets and ginger, we'll add a squeeze of orange juice and a handful of frozen berries. This will add a touch of sweetness and make it go down a treat. There you have it, 5 incredible smoothie recipes that will transform your health and leave you feeling like £1,000,000. Remember, using fresh, high-quality ingredients is the key to creating smoothies that taste as good as they make you feel. Now get in the kitchen and start blending. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes.